Sahyadri National School, Standard 3, Science. Welcome back, children. How are you all? I'm sure you all have enjoyed learning first part of this lesson, living and non-living things. Shall we revise it once and then go ahead? We have learnt that the world is divided into two types of things. First one, living things, and the second one, non-living things. Now, what are the living things? The things which have life are called living things. For example, a squirrel. And what are non-living things? The things which are not alive are called non-living things. For example, a pencil which we are using every day. But children, how do you recognize the difference between living and non-living things? There are some features of living and non-living things which will help us to find out the difference. One of the features which we have already learned is living things can move by themselves. For example, a rat. Whereas the non-living things cannot move by themselves. For example, a school bag which we are supposed to carry. Is it going to travel by itself? No, obviously not. Children, based on what we have learnt, we are going to solve one simple question. I'm sure you all will be able to solve. The question is, recognize the non-living things from the given picture. You are supposed to recognize non-living things. Yes, go ahead, children. And the answers are the clouds, the sky, and the sun. Very good, children. Whereas others are living things. The next feature of living things is living things need food and water. Animals move in search of food and water. They eat other animals or plants as their food. But plants have a very special feature. They are able to produce their own food in their leaves, whereas non-living things do not need food and water. So now we have learned two features. First one, living things can move by themselves. The example was a rat. Whereas the non-living things cannot move by themselves. Example, a school bag. And the second one is they need food and water. Whereas non-living things do not need food and water. Very good, children. Children, before learning the new feature, we are going to observe one picture. Observe the screen carefully, children. What is there? A baby turns into a boy and then turns into a man. So, this is the feature of living things. Living things grow and develop. With the help of food and water, we grow and develop. As the baby grows into a child and then into a man or woman. So, food and proper water intake is very necessary. Similarly, the plants also grow into the bigger one with the help of water and food. But plants make their own food with the help of their leaves, sunlight, and water. Children, we have learnt that living things grow and develop. But exactly opposite thing is applicable for non-living things. Non-living things do not grow and develop. Have you ever observed a smaller pencil present in your compass box has turned into the bigger one? Or a small cricket ball has turned into bigger basketball? Is it going to happen? No, not at all.